In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download files from ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here a task, and this task contains some files that I'll wish to download. You will know that it has files when you see this symbol next to the task. So if you click on this task and open it, you should be able to see attachments that are available on this. And as you can see, we have two. We have this receipt and we have this file here. To download them, there are two ways. You can either hover over each here and you'll see a download option. So if you click on download, this will go ahead and be downloaded straight to your computer. You can see, here we go, it has been downloaded. For the file, you can also do the same. If you hover over it, you can now download if you click on it here. So that is for attachment. Alternatively, you can scroll down and head over to attachments here, and you should be able to see all the files and documents that are available, and you can download them from here. To download, you can just click on download all if you want to download all of them here. So if you click on this, it will download all the files that are available on this task. Alternatively, you can download one by one by hovering over and click on these ellipses, and you'll see we have an option to download. So if you click on download, now this will open this file or attachment and then download it on your computer. You can also do the same for the second. You can also see we have an ellipsis here. If you click on it, now you'll be able to download. So that's how you can download attachments in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.